Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Ranger antenna. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a small adjustable wrench or a pair of pliers to grip the antenna base. A clean, soft cloth is also helpful for cleaning the area. If you plan to reinstall the antenna and want extra security, a small amount of thread locker can be useful. Before you begin, park your Ford Ranger on a level surface to ensure stability. It's also important to make sure your vehicle's radio is completely turned off to avoid any electrical issues. Take a moment to clean the area around the antenna base with your cloth, removing any dirt or debris that might interfere with the process. Now, let's remove the antenna mast. Firmly grasp the antenna mast near its base. Using your hand, or the wrench if it's too tight, turn the mast counterclockwise. You should feel it start to loosen. Continue unscrewing the mast in this direction until it completely detaches from the antenna base on your Ford Ranger. After removing the antenna, take a moment to inspect the antenna base for any remaining debris or corrosion. Store your antenna mast in a safe place to prevent it from getting lost or damaged. When you're ready to reinstall, simply align the mast with the base and screw it clockwise until it is snug, but do not over-tighten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.